Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week so far. And welcome to this new video here on XRP, your daily update. I have some good news to tell you, and some less good news as well, which I always don't like to bring. But the main thing that I wanted to talk about in this video is the technicals. And the technicals for XRP right now, I would say, are good. All right, we actually had some good price action over the course of yesterday. We had bounces across the board. Now, I do want to say that if you compare XRP to some other altcoins in the last 24 hours, it's a bit weak, and that's also reflected in the volume. I mean, obviously it's holiday season, so volume is going to be low across the board. But what you see with XRP is that the volume is down 36%. While the volume in the market is actually up in the last 24 hours, right? So that's a bit of weakness. But that's, I mean, it's short-term weakness in long-term strength, right? Because long-term and on the higher time frames, I should say, I think that's a better way to say it. XRP has been ridiculously strong, so nothing to worry about. And like I said, I mean, with that bullish momentum, we were able to break back above the value area low right here at 2.2. We also gained, even though it's minimal, but we gained some momentum as well. To break back above that. So I think XRP is fine. The thing is that I just don't expect much from it, especially during Christmas. I mean, I expect a lot from it next year, all right? And I also posted about this on X some time ago. If you take a look at this chart right here, this is extremely bullish, right? Because like usually when you see a chart like this, we might still form some sort of a bullish flag, right? So that the price starts to trend down a bit more and that we have to hit like 1.7. But ultimately, a structure like this always, or at least most often, gets a bullish breakout and a continuation. So long term, I would not be too worried about XRP, but it's quite normal that right now we'll just stabilize here. And stabilize, I mean, I would almost go as far as saying that given the technicals, I actually think it's most likely we'll get some more bullish momentum. Altcoins today also look pretty fine. I'm not sure how the total 3 is doing. Yeah, total 3 also got a bullish breakout here. So I think altcoins today will be fine. XRP in the end, even though it's the biggest altcoin or one of the biggest altcoins, is still an altcoin. So that's good for that's fundamentally good for XRP. Combined with the technicals that are quite good, that's all looking fine. That's all looking good for XRP here on the short term. One thing that I did want to talk about a little bit though is Ripple is RLUSD, right? So their own stablecoin. I think this is not doing amazing. The volume right now is $1 million. If you compare that with all the other stablecoins, like obviously we cannot really compare to Tether, but that's doing $128 billion in volume, and I'm not even sure. Like maybe UUSD is that already on here? No, maybe like so something like DAI is even doing $150 million, right? So RLUSD so far seems like a bit of it needs to be developed more. Let's keep it at that. But that's not providing any bullish momentum, unfortunately, even though we did talk about that as a possibility. Now, regardless of that news not being extremely good, I still think we'll be able to hold this level. I still think that XRP is going to hold on fine here. It's going to depend a bit on how altcoins perform, because like I said, due to the low volume, due to the low momentum, there's not a lot of specific strength for XRP, so therefore it's more correlated to the market. So be aware of that, but ultimately looks fine, and longer term will definitely still rally. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.